I have been using Logos as my primary Bible research tool for the better part of a decade. And I only remembered recently that my subscription included something that I seldom opened. Your Logos subscription, depending on your plan, includes access to seminary level video courses taught by credentialed scholars, and it's already included in your subscription. These courses rotate every quarter, so there's always something new. Most people I talk to about Logos have never seen this feature. I want to change that. Logos has a product line called Mobile Ed. It's a video library of over 270 video courses covering the disciplines you actually need to study Scripture seriously: Biblical Hebrew and Greek, hermeneutics, biblical theology, textual criticism, church history, and in-depth studies on individual books of the Bible. These aren't YouTube tutorials recorded in someone's bedroom. They're built by scholars whose work fills your Logos library, the same names you see on the commentary and reference titles on your shelf. The content is substantive, and the instruction is at seminary level. Individual courses in this catalog retail from around $55 for a shorter course to nearly $400 for a longer multi-unit study. That's not a trivial number. What most Logo subscribers don't know is that a rotating selection of these courses is already included with their subscription. Access is granted for the quarter at no additional cost. When the quarter ends, the selection refreshes. New courses rotate in. The previous ones rotate out. This is not a trial. It is not a teaser to get you to buy something. It is a feature built into the subscription you are already paying for. Okay, so how do you access it? Go to your browser and go to logos.com/perk/courses. You log into your account and you'll land on a page showing the courses currently included with your subscription tier. The number of courses available depends on your plan. Plus subscribers get one course per quarter. Premium, and Pro get more. If you're not sure what tier you're on, the page will show you exactly what you have access to right now. Here's what's in the current rotation as of the filming of this. So included in Plus, you have Paul's letter to the Galatians. I'm actually going through this right now. And if you're in Premium, you get that one and these other two, the book of a book study on Exodus and a study on wealth and stewardship in the Bible. And if you keep scrolling, if you're in Pro, you get all of those, plus these next two, church leadership and strategy and introducing biblical counseling. And if you're at the Max tier, then you get an additional 3 courses. Here's why I think this feature gets missed. Most people come to Logos for the library, the commentaries, the lexicons, the original language tools. That's what gets featured in reviews, and it's legitimate. The library is the core of the platform. But a library is only as useful as your ability to navigate it. A Greek lexicon entry requires you to understand how Greek word studies work before you can evaluate what you're looking at. A commentary requires you to understand the commentator's methodology and presuppositions before you can weigh their conclusions. Without that foundation, you're reading words without the frame to interpret them accurately. The mobile ed courses are where you build that capacity. They close the gap between having the tools and knowing how to work with them. A course on hermeneutics changes how you read every passage you bring into Logos. A course on textual criticism changes how you interact with the manuscript evidence. A course on biblical Greek gives you enough grounding to follow what the lexicon is actually doing rather than just accepting its conclusion. These are not supplementary materials for people who have already figured everything else out. They are foundational training for people who want to do serious work with the text. And for most of us, that is where the gap actually lives. The fact that a selection of them is rotating through your subscription every quarter, and most subscribers have never opened that feature, is what I wanted to put on your radar. For the kind of research I do on this channel, tracing Greek and Hebrew terms back to the source, examining manuscript variants, searching across early church texts, Logos is the primary tool. Everything I present as evidence in the investigation content has been verified inside Logos. That is not a sponsorship line. That is just how my workflow actually operates. What the mobile ed courses give me, specifically the ones on textual criticism and biblical interpretation, is the conceptual framework to use that workflow correctly. Not just how to find the data, how to evaluate it. If you've been watching this channel or others like it and asking how to develop the skills to do this kind of primary source work yourself, not just watch someone else do it, but actually go into the text and follow the evidence, this is where I would start. Not with the most advanced course in the catalog. Start with whatever is available in the current rotation under your plan. That is the most efficient entry point, and it is already paid for. Now, if you're not yet a Logo subscriber, they offer my viewers a 60-day free trial. The link is in the description. That is 2 full months to get into the courses, explore the library, and evaluate whether the platform fits how you study before you commit to anything. Now, the link is an affiliate link, which means it supports this channel at no additional cost to you. Go to the description, get the trial, start with the courses.